Welcome. This is Artilligence Machine, and this is our new series, Programming Projects. To be precise, this series is not a kind of tutorial. This is more about the post-learning stage. I strongly believe the best way to master something is to start working on the real-life projects. So this series will contain some interesting and unique projects covering all major domains of computer science. And sure, there will be few on AI and ML too. The projects are either small or medium. Depending on hours one may take to code, all the projects should on an average take 1 week or more. The projects are presented as a complete package. They are final end product. Structured details and their functionality of individual projects will be discussed in respective video. Stay tuned. So these are the programming languages which will be covered or which we will be using to build our projects. We may use combination of 1 or 2 languages sometime in a single project, and while explaining the project, I will try my best to give a complete thought process from where I started and how I reach to the final end product. This will definitely help if you are trying to work on any project of your own. So we will be developing various projects, and the projects can be classified in these major sectors. Like there will be few on web development, software development, also comprising game development, Android development, machine learning, and artificial intelligence too. Libraries. So what are libraries? Libraries are a collection of resources which comprises of predefined functions, templates, and many more things, and they help to use the code as it is in our projects. So we will be extensively using these libraries, and some of them are for machine learning, and some of them for data analysis, some are from game development, and individual libraries will be discussed in respective videos before using them. And we will be also using some frameworks. Frameworks is just a collection of libraries, tools, and APIs. It's more powerful than any kind of library. And the most famous framework for machine learning is TensorFlow by Google, OpenCV for computer vision, and many more. Framework and libraries are quite the same tool which help us to reduce the boilerplate code, but they are a little different, and one can be derived from the other and vice versa. I strongly recommend using these integrated development environment for building your projects. I know they are quite heavy software, but you should really use them. They are really nice. Anaconda is for data analysis, and PyCharm if you want to develop an end product using Python as a tool, then you should just use it. Android Studio for Android and all. So that's it. It was a small introduction to Programming Project series. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.